Hi guys, it's me. Today I'm gonna show you a tutorial of a vintage dress which I love so much. First, prepare your pattern. I love using poplin when sewing a shirt. The structure of the fabric makes a great finished look. Sew the front and the back together. Then put them aside and start sewing the collar. It's nothing difficult to sew, just simply separate the gathers. I think the most difficult part is drawing the collar. Make sure you have the right shape. I am super satisfied with this, like I finally do the ruffles right. Practice makes me better. After attach the collar to the bodice, we are ready to sew the sleeves. Cut the opening. Sew 3 cm wide bias to it. Then fold the bias twice and do the closure. Attach the cuff. Serge the hem and sew on buttons. We are moved to the dress. It's pretty easy compared to the shirt. I got the same front and the back, just wanted to keep it simple. Sew along the side seam and attach the strap. Here comes a Lolita style vintage dress. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.